you, Ampon. Thank you. Hindi ka na nagla-live ah. May allowance. Pinapunta ako doon minsan. Eski Asmit! Hello! Arsyad, oh, nampun, okay lang po. Sobrang busy po. Oo nga eh. How are you? I'm good, I'm good. I'm still handsome. Diyan ka na talaga nakabase sa ano. Doon sa Kwan, sa Sakura, walang ano doon, nakabase doon. How are you? I'm good, Asmit. How about you? Busy ngayon si Ma'am Ampun. Ano, gawa na ka ng bahay kubo doon sa lote mo? Meron ng wifi si Inday? I am also good. Oh, wow. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. How about your study? Ako din, nakatuka, kaso inaayos pa doon. Binagwa tayong ano doon. Hindi nagustuhan ni Sir yung arrangement doon ni ano. It's going great. Oh, wow, that's nice. Brother, thank you, thank you. Opo, nag-start na kuya. Yes po, may wifi na sila pero tinatamad na mag-white. Tinatamad na. I'm having dinner right now. What's your bayan? What's your bayan, SK? I know. Chicken, how we call that? Chicken with, I don't know. Chicken. I forgot. Ismet, sorry. Chicken fried chicken. Tinatamad na si Inday mag-white. Bakit? May wifi na, tinatamad. It's called Kichur. Kichur. Wow. It's called chichuri. Oh, wow. It's delicious. Iwan ko doon. Ikaw, di ka na rin nag-white. Malapit ka na ma-monetize, di ba? May. Ano yan? May o may? Yes, it's delicious. Oh, wow. That's nice. Mga upload pa naman ako. On, brother. Thank you. Upload lang. At live, paminsan-minsan, di kita nakikita Di kita nakikita. Search ko nga. Minsan lumalabas yan dito sa ano ko. Ngayon di na lumalabas. At live, paminsan-minsan. And your pronunciation is exactly on the spot. Wow. Pag busy ko back to white again. Yeah, on. How we call that, Smith? It's called Chikuri. On. Thank you, brother. Yes, it's delicious. Oh, wow. Can you give me a Smith? Thank you, Ampon. Maraming salamat, damo gid nga salamat. Kikure, yeah, Kikuri. Kikuri or Kikure? Kikuri, yeah. Right, Kikuri? WC Kuya Borloloy. Ayan, si Pamampun. Arsya, thank you, brother. On. Ampun, friends, thank you. Love.